Good morning and happy Thursday from a very chilly Kennywood Park this morning.
Yeah, it's cold.
Yeah, oh my gosh, we are here. Thank you to Kennywood Park for letting us come for Media Day to check out the brand new ride, Spinvasion, and the sign's right behind us. I'm not sure what to expect. Look, it looks like a combination of a bunch of different
Like
rides.
a spin swing?
Yeah, like a spinny swing that you go up and down and spin, so clearly you're gonna spin, clearly. But anyway, we haven't been here yet for 2023. This is our very first visit, so we're very excited to check out the new Area 412. And if you are familiar with Pittsburgh area codes, that's the official area code. So we're gonna check out that cute area, check out Spinvasion. Fingers crossed that it doesn't make me nauseous, but I am taking one for the team today. Are you? Are you ready to go? Are you excited? All right, let's go. And the first thing you see once you hit the turnstile, Spinvasion, Area 412, taking flight in 2023. So we're just about a day early, about 24 hours early, because I think it opens tomorrow at 11:30. I'll double check that. Yeah. Oh, and they have a speedy pass. I know, it's exciting. Look at all the fun stuff. All right, we just went down the ramp and through the tunnel on a golf cart.
Yep.
Now that's the way to go. Yeah. I'm just saying. All right, we're officially here. Here's Area 412. Quick peek at the ride. Oh, and he's fun. Take me to the Thunderbolt instead of take me to your leader. Love it. Okay, we're officially in the cute little gift shop right beside Spinvasion. And of course, it's filled with alien stuff. But okay, aliens on aliens, but they have this shirt that I need in my life. Turtle. Wow, also, I love this ride so much.
Also a bag.
There is a bag. Oh, that's amazing. And potato patch fries. And of course they have Spinvasion shirts. What else do they have? Oh, Area 412 bag. Now that's fun.
That's a cool shirt.
Yeah, that's really fun. And then they have, you know, candy and hats. More aliens. These are really cute. Mom, look at the... Yeah. And Kennywood sweatshirts, which if I didn't have on today, I would buy because it's so cold. All right, let's go out and take a look at it. It's really pretty. I love the bright colors. Oh boy. Somebody's going on. I guess we're next, Mom. Are you excited? They told us that we could do a POV, so who do you think would be better off for the POV?
You personally.
Why is that?
I'm not as expressive on rides.
You just sit there and enjoy it, and me, I'm like,
If there's anything I could take from our pictures on the roller coaster,
oh, yeah.
yeah, no, I'm not that expressive.
So this is fun. Molly just noticed Yinzers versus aliens on that sign. That's a cool Easter egg. This is fun. This looks like, yeah, this is the entrance. And then in case you're not sure if you can fit into a seat, this is a little test driver seat. All right, Mom, test drive for us. Is it comfy?
Yeah, it's not bad.
Yeah? Uh-huh. That is really cool. Oh, cool. This guy makes random noises. Any flashes? Anything here? That's where the noise... Oh. Okay, guys. Don't pull down. Hold your arms out. I was paying attention. I'm a good theme park guest. So you keep your hands out until it releases, and then you can do this. But I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little
Spinvasion
nervous.
travelers, please help our flight crew by holding your arms
elastic in my hair
out to the
so it
side.
doesn't get caught in
Your
the
safety
restraints.
restraints will now be lowered automatically.
Okay.
Once they have fallen, please buckle your seatbelt. The attendant will be around soon for a safety check. All clear.
Okay, let me make sure my head's comfy here.
Mom,
What?
it doesn't hurt like pitching very things when they come down.
No, not at all. Oh, there we go. It clicked. You sit very straight up in this. It's like super straight. Huh?
You're good, Pop.
You have to have good posture. Yeah. And we're going counterclockwise. Yeah.
No, that's clockwise, isn't it?
Oh, you're right. Sorry. It's clockwise. I just noticed, Mom, it says gift ship instead of gift shop.
Oh, that's perfect.
That's so cute.
I wish I could ride that.
Yeah. Well, when it's officially open, you can. All right, so this is nice and sturdy. This makes me feel happy.
I will say if you guys want that later, you're more than welcome to just let one of us know. that we
Really?
offered it. Yep.
Okay. Sweet. Thank you. Okay, Mal. Are you ready? Mal's in front of me, by the way. I'm not just talking to like some random person over here named Mal.
I'm a spooky ghost.
You're the spooky ghost in front.
Right now it turns into the voice behind camera.
Oh, I gotta keep a brave face for this one. Power! It's like Dumbo, but completely the opposite.
Visual scan.
I would call it more like those planes.
Oh yeah, those planes and Windseeker at Cedar Point.
Yeah, like a combo of those things.
Yeah.
Clear to take flight.
Here we
Sit
go.
back, relax, and enjoy your journey around the galaxy.
Oh, that was fun. Here we go. Are we the only two on? I feel like we are. Whee! It's not cold. Wow! It's so windy, it's hard to keep my eyes open. It's so smooth. Oh my god. Whee. Wow, this is beautiful. It's like I'm being rocked to sleep. Oh, it's so pretty. Hi, babe. Hi. Hello. So smooth. If you close your eyes, you can't even really feel you're moving. Wow. Whee! Can you put your arms out? Whee! Oh, it's empty. It's really comfortable up here.
Please remain seated with your
So
seatbelt
beautifully
fastened as the ride goes
smooth.
to start.
It's chilly. It's chilly up there. But man, is it worth it. That's so beautiful. There's no like jolts. Did you notice that? It's just like this smooth whip that goes back and forth. It is so fun. I like the smoothness. No jerky, no like bumpy. It's fabulous. Here we go.
Welcome back to Planet Earth. We hope you enjoyed your ride. You may now unbuckle and lift your restraint. Don't forget any personal belongings you may have left in the loose articles bin, and we hope to see you again soon here at Spinvasion.
Oh, guys, that was so much fun. Can't wait to share with you the POV. I can't wait to share with you all the other details of this park when it officially opens, right, of this area, because today, like I said, is just this section is open today. But thank you so much for hanging with us for the, you can call that a front row, right? You're the only two on it.
Technically, yeah, it's a circle.
Yeah, for the front row POV of the new Kennywood Park Spinvasion in Area 412. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you like us, please subscribe to our channel and let me know, are you planning on coming to 2023 season to take a ride on Spinvasion? If you are, let me know in the comment section below. Until next time, we're out. Thanks, guys.